In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create buckets in Microsoft Planner. Whether you're a seasoned Planner user or just starting out, organizing your tasks efficiently can make all the difference in your productivity. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type Microsoft Planner into the search bar. Once you hit Enter, you should see Microsoft Planner appear in your search results. Click on it to open the program. Now, if you look up at the top right of your screen, you'll notice an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself automatically signed in, which is always a nice time saver. However, if you're not, don't worry. Simply enter your email address, followed by your password, and you'll be good to go. With that out of the way, navigate over to the plan that you want to organize today. When you open up the plan, make sure you're viewing it in Board View. The Board View is where you'll see all your buckets displayed as columns, which is essential for what we'll be doing next. While you're in the Board View, look around the task details for the checklist section. This is where you'll manage and organize your tasks within the buckets. Now, turning our attention to creating a new bucket, take a moment to locate the Add New Bucket button. Typically, you'll find this gem at the far right of your current bucket columns, or sometimes at the top right of the screen. Once you've located the button, go ahead and click on it. You'll see a text field pop up, inviting you to name your new bucket. Think of a descriptive name that suits the tasks you're planning to organize. After typing in the name, press the Enter key to complete the creation of your new bucket. Congratulations, you've just created a new organizational bucket. But don't stop there. To maximize the potential of this new structure, you can begin adding tasks immediately. Either click the plus Add Task button below the bucket's name to create new tasks, or simply drag and drop existing tasks from other parts of the plan right into your newly created bucket. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and organize buckets in Microsoft Planner, empowering you to manage your tasks more efficiently and keep everything in check. Thank you for tuning in. And if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or comment with any questions you might have. Stay productive out there.